Unanimous vote, the Massachusetts Senate passed a bill last night. Lawmakers agreed that you should not have to give your social media password or username to get or keep a job. As NBC 10's Olivia Fechtel reports, the bill also applies to colleges.
Twitter and Facebook posts meant for friends may not get users in trouble anymore. The Massachusetts Senate has unanimously approved a bill that says employers and school administrators can't force workers or students to hand over social media usernames or passwords in order to get a job or be accepted as a student. It would also be against the law for employers to require workers to add them as friends on social media accounts. For Rebecca Schulte, who lives in Norton and has a teenage daughter, this is all good news.
I don't think they should have the ability to just go and check everything out. I mean, yeah, they can look at it as a friend or something like that, but I don't think they should have the right to just go and make opinions about people.
She says she thinks what's public should be public, but what's meant for friends should stay that way. Olivia Fechtel, NBC 10 News.